फॉर्म 10BD का फाइलिंग करना तो बहुत लोग बताते हैं, लेकिन जब नील फाइलिंग करना हो तो कोई नहीं बताता कि कैसे करना है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं हर्ष और आप देख रहे हैं डे 6 ऑफ पोस्टिंग वन वीडियो डेली एंड शेयरिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ नॉलेज वी कुड। 31st May is coming and it is the due date of filing Form 10BD. Form 10BD क्या होता है, इसका डिटेल हम किसी और वीडियो में देखेंगे। I will try to keep the video as short as possible so as not to waste time. So let's move to the computer screen. Over the pointer over e-file, then over income tax form and click on file income tax forms. Then go to the section persons not dependent on any source of income. Go to the very bottom, then go to the next page and select Form 10BD. Select filing, original return and financial year the form is being filed for. Click on continue, then click on file statement. Click on let's get started. The first section, basic information, review it and save it. Then detail of donor, download the format, open the Excel, fill the mandatory fields. Remember, the fields I am filing should be mandatorily filed, otherwise errors will show up while uploading. Save it in the CSV format. Upload it and save the section. The verification section, it is the self-declaration. Fill the essential fields and save it. Preview and e-verify and the filing is complete. Subscribe to our channel and like and follow for more of such daily doses. Thank you.